Wow, we all came here to see ice cream. Cold, delicious goodness. We're almost gone in this case. All I have to... Okay, everybody. They have vanilla, tutti frutti, chocolate. I bit myself. Strawberry. And all these other fucked up shit that no one understands, like pumpkin. And like zucchini. It's so good. What the fuck is my ice cream? Nowhere! It's okay. Nowhere. Look at my face. Nowhere. You fucking idiot! You fucking